Hi, this is Leah from Mommyish, and today I have a quick tutorial on how to use the new quick enamel pen text actions. Now, this was a suggestion as a way to do a quick enamel pen based around text to just add, a quick little outline, whatever around it, and it's done. So before we get started, and this is just a way that I don't know why Photoshop works this way, but you need to go ahead and open or create a new document and make sure your background setting is set to transparent or background contents transparent. You don't have to save this document forever. You can just open it and then close it again. That's first. Next, whatever you want the border color to be around your text, you need that to be set as your foreground color. So for example, with our guys here, I have the different edging. Of course, we have gold, silver, black, and white. You can see here with our white one, this one I used a white border around it. This one I've used a black. So what you're going to do that, you just change, again, your foreground color, and it is going to flood fill in during the action, whatever that color is. So if you don't change that color, it's going to be whatever your default color is right there for your foreground. So just remember to change that color to whatever you wish it to be. Anyway, so you can see here the different little things I've made. I've even made a little star out of a star shape. But this really is intended to be with just a quick way to create an element, one step. Let me go ahead and I'm just going to show you quickly how this works. So I'm going to just type in hello. And excuse me, I'm trying to lose my voice here. Tis the season, right? For everyone to be sick. Let me fix this. There we go. So I'm just going to use some of the glyphs on here just to make it a little more fun. Why not? Does the O have one? It does. Hello. All right, so I have that. I'm using this very light blue color that you probably can't see very well. And I'm going to, again, change my foreground color. Let's go with a darker color, like a charcoal. All right. Then we just decide what we want the metal rim to be. So, gold, black, silver, white. Those are our options. I'm going to go ahead and go with gold just because it's pretty basic, like common one that we see most enamel pens with. I'm just going to run the action, so I'll hit play. And it runs pretty quick. And there we go. We have a quick little element. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into this document so you can see what it looks like. Like that. And this is it on a 12 by 12 canvas, just so you have an idea of the detail with these. And I'm zooming in quite a bit. This is zoomed in at about 250%, so you can really see. But aren't they sweet? And it's so quick. So quick. All right, so I've tested this in PSE 13, and then of course Photoshop Creative Cloud is what I'm working in right now. And yeah, so hopefully it'll go without a hitch. Again, always make sure that you've done that initial part of creating a new document, setting the background setting to transparent before you run this action. All right. And then when you create your new document to run your pen in, I would suggest copying your pen out of whatever that document is, kind of like I've done here, where I copied it, pasted it, and then I'll just create a new layer and make a new one. All right, and that's it for this little set of actions. I hope you guys enjoy them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.